Welcome to this Maths Heroes video. My name's Christine. Today I just want to share what I went through 2 weeks ago, I think it was, with a student that I was working with. We were looking at percentages and inevitably somewhere along the track 100 divided by 3 comes up. And I said to him, so how are you going to do that? And we got around it in the end. What I really wanted him to focus on was the fact that he didn't even need to do the short division algorithm to start with. If that's not where we're at, that's not where we're at, that's okay. If I've got 100 to share into 3 equal groups, first of all, what could I start with? Well, I would expect them to at least be able to say 30, 60, 90. So there's the 30 and 60, 90, that's to start with. Then I've got 3, 6, 9. So now I'm at 99, and then I can do 1/3 and 1/3. So you can see from the picture that I've got 30, 3 and 1/3. Now if I wanted to get that into a decimal, of course I would need to do this. And again, I can teach the short division algorithm based on what I've just shown him there. I can't think of it as 100. I need to think of it as 10 tens, which means I can give them each 3 tens, and it means that I've got 1 10 left over. But 1 10 becomes 10 ones. That means they each get 3 ones. Got 1 1 left over. 1 1 becomes 10 tenths, and now I just continue on with 0.33333 recurring as a decimal. So this box idea is just so powerful. For example, if I was doing 24 divided by 3. Now you might say to your students, 3 times something is 24. Well, if they don't know what the something is, they're stuck. And a colleague of mine that I wrote books with many moons ago, she said to me, Christine, we don't teach division tables, we only teach multiplication tables, because that's what it all is. And that's the whole point. When they know something, they can actually be much more flexible with it. So if I've got 24 here, I might say, well, I definitely know I can give them a 5 each. 5, 10, 15. So here I am at 15. So there's 0. I've got to get to 24. I'm at 15 at the moment. I need to hop another 5 to get to 20, and then another 4 to get to 24. So I know I've got to hop another 9. Well, if I'm doing groups of 3, that means I've got to do 3, 6, 9. That gives me a total of 8. So in each box here, I've got a total of 8. So I know that 3 8s are 24, and I know that 24 divided into 3 equal groups is 8. Great, I could do that. If I took the in-between step. I could say, I know that I need 3 5s are 15, and I've got 9 left over, so this must be a 3. The other way I could have thought about it, I could have said, oh, wow, hang on, I'll draw it over here. There's my 3 equal groups. I've got 24. I know 10 is too much, but let's just see what happens. So there I've got 30. So to get to 24, I know I need to take away 6. So if I'm going to take away 6, that means when I share that over those 3 groups, that means I've got to take away 2 from here, take away 2 from here, and take away 2 from here. 2, 4, 6. Which again, 10 take away 2 is 8. So it doesn't matter which way your students see it, as long as they are flexible. If I drew the picture for that one, so here is my 3. If I did a 10 up here, that would be 30. So actually what needs to happen is I'm going to cut off 2, which will take away 6, and that will give me 24. So, and then again, my 10 take away 2 is 8. So that's how I marry or flow through, where I always start with a box. Then I move to this more sophisticated picture, and then I can move to short division if I need to. And you need the short division if you want to do the decimals. So I hope this quick video made you think. Every student is a maths hero, as we all are. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.